Hey, we're back at it, man. Non-consensual towing. We just pulled back on this property over here. We were over here last week. I think we towed about 9 out of here. She's got more she wants towed. This van right here, that gray van with no tag, she wants it gone. Somebody just walked out of that apartment over there. I believe that gentleman that owns that van is standing outside. We're gonna find out. What's going on, man? You know whose van that is? Yours? Neighbors. Yeah, they're fixing to tow it. The office is towing it. I'm fixing to hook it. That's what I'm saying. I'm fixing to hook it. She's stickered to the tow. So it is what it is, man. All he got to do is call her. I mean, that's all he had to do. Yeah. Appreciate it, man. It's gonna be a hard van to get out right here, but let's hook. I asked the guy about that van. He said it belonged to his neighbor, and he went next door to try to knock on his neighbor's door. But I told him, you know, he said he would call and he'd let him know. And I told him that I'm fixing to tow it, because that's what the manager told me to do. We don't wait on people. The manager's been waiting on the guy already. The manager already basically warned him with a sticker she put on it. And when people disregard the stickers, and they expect they're not going to get towed, but it does happen, man. Happens a lot. Anyway, we just dropped off this big Chevy van back there, and Ruby's got a payout. He's out there helping this girl find her car, so she can drive it out of here. Our lot guy's gonna be coming up here in just a second. You got to get a car out?
No, I'm going to Spanish people.
Oh, you did, yeah. Our lot guy, I just talked to him on the phone.
All right.
He's helping a girl get her car. He's gonna come up here in just a second. He had another Spanish person in there.
Yeah,
He's helping.
that's her husband. He was trying to find him.
Oh yeah, she's back here. Hey, they're trying to pull the car out. He's right there. He found him.
So it's not drivable?
I'm not sure. I'll tell you the problem. There's so many cars out there, and there might be 5 or 6 that are the same model. They're just trying to find it. As soon as and we can jump it. He'll jump it off or whatever. If it needs to be jumped off, we'll do all that. We help you get it out of here as much as possible.
All right.
Yeah. We are good about that, especially Ruby. Ruby's a good yard guy.
71.
She said 150.
Oh. Tú lo puedes llevar y cuando lo dejes ahí, que te pago el
Yeah,
dinero
if it's around the
estando en el
corner.
lugar.
We could do it.
Johnny, that's your brother.
Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, there's no problem. Hey,
¿A qué hora tú lo puedes llevar el auto?
it's gonna be a little while. So it's gonna be tonight. Do you have anybody to do it tonight, this evening? Okay. Well, if I run these impounds right here, I could drop it off at Rock Chapel or Reed End Road, wherever it's at. The problem.
Until I got a little bit closer, I said, "Oh man, that's Johnny."
Hey, Ruby, you make sure you get the right address, because it's this thing that's Reed End Road. Make sure we get the proper address.
Ella necesita tener la
Hey,
dirección
listen,
correcta.
tell her it's going to be
Okay,
later
yo la
because we're
tengo.
slammed right now.
Yeah. Y sería más tarde porque ellos están bien ocupados.
Dice-
I've got the address.
Un text.
Okay, yeah, text, that's fine.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank
You very much. Hey, we're back. Here we go. Back on another property. They had some kind of domestic dispute between a couple that lived here. It looks to me like both parties of the couple vandalized the cars of their partner. Anyway, it ought to be interesting. I've towed a car out of here, this particular section right up in here, up there to the right, and I got it to the front office, and some bodybuilder had jogged up there. They had towed his car because it had trash on it, and he had been on a photo shoot or something. He was a real bodybuilder, but evidently he ate a lot of food because he was bodybuilding, and he had a lot of trash. Well, he was storing all his trash in the back of his truck sitting in the parking lot, and that was the reason they towed it, because it was filled up with trash. But he said he had just got back in town from Texas, and he was polite, man. He was cool. He was a big dude. I'm glad it didn't turn into a problem, because he was definitely a big dude. But like I said, he was polite, man. He didn't trip out, didn't threaten me. Pulled his wallet out and paid it, man, just as quick as that. That was a done deal. He went and talked to the manager, told the manager sorry, and then he was going to throw all his trash in the dumpster immediately. So I dropped the car right in the truck back by the office. That was the end of that. That was quite a few years, but somebody's already came and got one of these. This was the one that was graffitied on it. There is one more that we're going to be towing. Somebody stole the wheels off that Escalade. Like I said, they had domestic dispute, and it looks like somebody came back and stole or got the wheels back from the car. But that's the first one we were supposed to tow. We got one more over here. It's a new Escalade too. That's a late model, man. That's an expensive vehicle to be spray painting like that. But this is a little Charger, I believe. There's a Charger up here on this side. I got to go locate it. But it's been vandalized. I'm talking about vandalized really, really bad. Wow. Ah, man. We got cut. Damn glass. That took way longer than what I was hoping for. Way more problematic with the glass in my hand. Anyway, it is what it is. This vehicle's got a name wrote on it on the same exact spot. On this car is the name on the other car. So it was a domestic dispute between the couple, and they I'm sure neither one of them are very happy about it afterward. Destroying the cars ain't gonna do any good. It ain't gonna help anything. Guarantee that. And it's not even gonna help your feelings any. Destroy a car for no reason. Well, there's probably reason, I'm sure. That Charger, man, that thing got trashed. It's got 4 windows and keyed all the way around it. All 4 tires cut. Anyway, I guess it could be worse, but anyway, that's the way it goes. Anyway, thanks for watching. I want to thank all my subscribers, all the commenters. I want to thank my boss. Thank God for keeping me safe, man. Anyway, thanks for watching. Peace.